Hello everyone, welcome to another video, another celestial tour, or should I say an aquatic tour. That's right, today's video is about the similarities between the cosmos and the oceans of our planet. Now, as you know, only 5% of the oceans of our planet is discovered, and this is most likely a big down. Space exploration is an awesome thing, and obviously the point of this video is not wanting for space explorations to stop. I mean, this is a space channel, so yeah, obviously. It is the opposite. This video says to keep in touch with such wonderful and magnificent places like space and oceans equally. Oceans are a big part of us, Earth, and we haven't exactly discovered them yet. Now, let's review the similar points of space and oceans. First of all, excluding that the universe is 93 billion light years across and the deepest point is the Mariana Trench, which is just 11 kilometers. Just 11 kilometers is like 11,000 meters. That's a lot. Trust me, this channel has talked about so many extraordinary measurements. A light year is like 9.4 trillion kilometers. What? Just watch my videos, you'll get used to it. So excluding that, both space and oceans are pretty vast places. And even space isn't discovered that much, except for 5%. Everything is dark. Remember the dark matter and dark energy video? If you didn't watch that, you can watch it in the top right. Water on Earth makes up 71% of the planet, and 96.5% of the water on Earth is made up from oceans. So comparing it to a normal human perspective, that's still a lot of vastness that has to be discovered. Speaking of which, secondly, there is a lot to discover. Right now, the largest animal discovered is underwater. It is the blue whale. Now, think about it. Only 5% and many other animals can be out there. And when it comes to the universe, no intelligent life has been discovered yet in this vast universe. And think about it. Only 5% of the universe is seen, just like the oceans. And space is, to be honest, even more magnificent sometimes because the universe is 93 billion light years across. And if we speak specifically, an infinitely small percentage is discovered of space. But still, each of these wonders are undiscovered and dark places that only a small amount of is discovered. And lastly, these two places can be very creepy, dark, unique, and inhospitable for human beings. Now, yes, we are talking about oceans and space needing to be discovered, and we are talking about habitable places in the universe and stuff in this channel. But of course, without any kind of protection, human beings would instantly collapse. In both places, there's no breathable air, except for, of course, the underwater species. They can breathe there, even though there isn't any. Anyways, and they both have uniquenesses in them. For example, look at this, or this, or this, or this. They look like they're out of Earth, right? But no, each of these animals are all part of our planet. And when we come to the magnificent cosmos, cosmos can be much more amazing than science fiction stories. For example, gravity makes a hole in space-time, a black hole, and no one can ever escape this hole when they reach the event horizon. Both of these places can be unexpectedly mind-blowing in any case. Also, space is literally an ocean, and I'm not speaking metaphorically. Ocean doesn't mean only 70% of something being covered with salt water, but it also means great expanse. And early civilizations believed that the oceans and stars above were linked. So in conclusion, space and oceans are vast, unique, undiscovered, dark, and intensely amazing places. Oceans shall be discovered to understand our planet, and space shall be discovered to understand what is going on around our planet. Alright, so I hope you guys understood the importance of the discovery of oceans and how space and the oceans of our planet are linked to each other. I hope you enjoyed and liked the video, because this time we will not compare space exploration with ocean exploration, but we will talk about its history in the next video. So that's why stay tuned, and of course, stay astronomical.